Today on Fix and Finish, we're completing the pantry.
Oh yeah.
I put 2 coats of paint on the wall, and IKEA just delivered the cabinets.
That's right, so now we're ready to assemble, and we can pull it all together. You ready?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Jackie.
And I'm James.
We came over to the US. Our kids are young. We figured this is a great time, a great opportunity for James work-wise, but it's a great time to be here with the kids.
Yeah.
We moved over, we rented for about 6 months, and then we found this house.
Yep.
So we've kind of been working around the house, room by room, bit by bit, doing various decorating, renovation work.
Yep.
But the one thing that's kind of been on our to-do list but keeps slipping down is the kitchen pantry. It's a hard space to work with, and we really haven't figured out what we wanted to do with it. I think
and we were making do with like a desk, and it was functional enough.
Right. It's a long list of things that we need to accomplish in that space.
Really exciting to get this old house and IKEA in to make the space more functional for us.
All right, now we'll put this into position. It's always a good idea to install the upper cabinets before your lower cabinets so that they're not in the way. You have good access to install the cabinet. So what we have here is BARKOBODA countertop. I love the chevron pattern. It's got some nice heft to it. We'll need that for our shelf in the pantry. And in order to create these shelves, we're gonna rip this to 12 inches with our circ saw, with the fine tooth blade. And in order to achieve a smooth cut on this side, we want to put the good side of the board downward. We'll measure once, measure twice, say a prayer, and get to ripping. This is our Salgin countertop. We're going to rip this to 18 inches, and we're going to set this between our 2 cabinets and use this as our desk.
The fix is in, so it's time to finish. Okay, Jackie and James, are you guys ready to see your new space?
Yes.
All right,
definitely.
come on in.
Wow.
Excellent. Looks great.
Oh my goodness, it's amazing.
You love it?
Love it.
Great. Our first order of business was making sure that this space looked fantastic and was seamless with the rest of your home. So I went to IKEA and I designed the perfect custom cabinet configuration for your family. Check out these drawers. Jonathan installed this lower base cabinet, which with 2 big pull-out drawers full of all of your kids' art supplies.
Awesome.
At least the ones you want them to touch.
Exactly.
Yep.
Hands, yep. Little hands.
Inside, you'll find that there are dividers that you can actually move around, and they'll vary as the kids get older. So no matter what you're storing, you'll always have the perfect cabinet. Up top, Jonathan installed a beautiful wall cabinet. Inside, you've got plenty of places for your office supplies and the craft supplies you don't want the kids to touch. Plus, I've got a couple of great IKEA boxes. That way you can put all of your receipts and your bills and your checkbooks in there and no one has to see it. Now, Jackie and James, Jonathan really showcased his skills by adding this additional desk space for you guys, which I think is fantastic, and it looks beautiful with the space. Plus, he installed these wood grain chevron shelves that are absolutely gorgeous and look totally sophisticated in this space. I threw a few boxes on top so that you could have a little extra storage. Now, Jackie, you specifically asked for a memo board.
Exactly.
Well, look at this baby. It's perfect for all of your notes, and I've even given you some little storage caddies, so you have all your office supplies right there.
Awesome.
Great. That'll come in so handy.
So over here, Jackie, this is the money. We've installed custom cabinetry with 2 shelves on top for all of your countertop appliances, and there's some room in the back for more. And down at the bottom, we've even given you guys more storage for dry goods, so you'll have plenty of space for all of your family's needs.
Beautiful.
That's
That's
great.
great. And it fits in so well with the rest of the house.
Yay!
Perfect.
And last but not least, there's no point in having all this art storage if you don't hang your art. So I hung a piece of art of each of your children on the wall.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Look, one for each of them.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Awesome.